Hello friends, now let us see a small comprehension passage. The title is The Girl's Doll. The little girl has a doll. The doll's dress is blue. She has a bow on her head. The girl likes her little doll. Now let us see few questions on this paragraph. The first one is, check the picture that matches the story. The first one is the little girl having a doll. The second picture is the little girl having a teddy. The third picture is the little girl having a joker. Our answer is the first one, the little girl having a doll. The second one is the little girl has, first one, A robot, B a doll, C a teddy bear. Our option is B a doll. The third one is the doll's dress is option A blue, option B purple, option C green. Our answer is option A blue. What is on the doll's head? Bow is on the doll's head. Thank you.